Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. In this tutorial today, I'm going to walk you through on how to use Cashapp on Amazon. So let's get into the video. So firstly, open up Amazon and log into your Amazon account. So once I've logged into your Amazon account here, so when you click on your account tab here, just on your top right, so just get to your account. So click on your account and then here under your account, click on your payments. So here you should see all your payment options here. So under wallet, click on add a payment method. So here you'll see all the available payment methods, and you will see that you don't have the option of Cash App here. So if you want to add Cash App, then you can only do it through by getting a cash card. So you simply use Cash App by using your cash card. So to get a cash card, all you have to simply do is open up your Cash App. So when you open up your Cash App, all you have to do is simply get to this debit card option here. So because cash card is simply just a debit card like the other bank cards, like a usual bank card, so it's just a debit card provided by Cash App. So you can just get to your app and then click on the debit card option here, the cash card option here, and then hit on this get free cash card and then click on it and then follow the instructions, and Cash App will send you a cash card, which is a debit card. So once you get that card, what you can do, you can simply come back to your Amazon payment option here, and then here simply click on add a credit or debit card. So click on the credit or debit card option here, and then simply now plug in the details of your cash card, which is the one that you just ordered. So you can just plug in the details of that card here and then hit on add your card, and then you can use this card when you check out on Amazon. So that's how you can use Cash App on Amazon. So hope this information is helpful. I will see you in another video. Thank you.